Blackboard Collaborate is a live webinar e-learning tool that can be used to create pre-recorded lectures. That stream can add captions. To access Blackboard Collaborate, go to your e-learning course and select Blackboard Collaborate from the course menu. When the Blackboard Collaborate page appears, select a course room and then Join Course Room. The course room is a live, open, online session that is always available, so you can immediately start recording lectures. However, because anyone in the e-learning course can join a course room, use the lock command. By returning to the e-learning page and selecting Lock the Course Room. Now that the lock is active, return to the Blackboard Collaborate course room by selecting its browser tab. Should a student appear in your course room before you had a chance to use lock, you can remove the student with the following steps. Go to the Collaborate tab on the lower right and then select the Attendee tab to see the list of people present. Remove the student by selecting the Attendee Control button to use the Remove from Session command. Once you are alone in the course room, you can upload your PowerPoint slides by selecting Share Content and then Share Files. You can then use the Add Files command to click and drag a PowerPoint, PDF, or image, as well as clicking on Add Files to pull up your PowerPoint slide by name. In this example, I have added a PowerPoint with multiple slides. This means that when I select the uploaded file and then select Share, I have the option to start on the first slide or a different slide. Here I choose to select Slide 2 because it has the title. And once the slides appear, the presentation commands to navigate back and forth as well as stop sharing appear. Additionally, I can use the pointer, mark, and erase the marks on the displayed slide. To make my microphone active, I select Share Audio and then select the Session tab and select Start Recording. Notice that a banner reports the recording has started. To stop recording, I go back to the Collaborate tab and select Stop Recording. I can select another slide to record a different lecture. Please note that starting and stopping the recording command creates multiple videos, and process times vary depending on the length of the video and how much you marked on the slides. But for Collaborate to produce the video, be sure to end the session by selecting the Session tab and using Leave the Session. To watch and review the recording, in the e-learning Blackboard Collaborate page, select its menu, select Recordings from the list. Completed course room recordings have the name of the course as well as the sequence it was recorded. Other commands for the video are housed in the Recordings option button. At this time, because Collaborate does not generate automatic captions, download the MP4 recording to upload into Microsoft Stream for subtitling and for sharing with students. To manage, create, and record live lectures, watch our next series of videos.